and hopefully, and I will finish, within a stipulated time period.
Mode.
So briefly, I will talk about Pakistan and what so far we have achieved. Basically, the following institutes they are included in the Pakistan team, which is the University of Agriculture, Faisalabad, then Bahauddin Zikriya University in Multan, then the ComSat's Institute of Information and Technology, Vihari, and then of this first time the team from has participated. So this is a good thing, and we learned deliverables and work plan, and more we are now more comfortable, with the crop and economic modeling, climate and IT, and I'm talking, in a relative sense. And then we have interaction among multidisciplinary team members, so it enhanced with the passage of time, and then 2 to 3 members could participate as potential trainers in the future workshops. And Pakistan will contribute in the IT activities of AGDIP. And interaction among South Asia AgMap network, so we also have this, as a overview. So particularly with the different countries and with the South Asia, management team, and with obviously the management team overall. Regarding the fast track, first is the climate, and Dr. Ghulam Rasool will be the responsible guy, and we have planned to finish this up to December. And in climate, we have long-term data for Faisalabad. It's complete, and we obtain the rainfall data from Agriculture and Water and Power Development Authority departments, and then the climate change scenarios. Regarding the crop model calibration, Dr. Tasneem Khalak will be, the contact person, responsible person, and Sentinel sites complete, and the survey sites, Regarding economic, myself will be responsible, and we have, the partially, the survey is partially complete. And regarding crop model simulation, Dr. Aftab Wajid will be the responsible person, and regarding analysis, I will be responsible, and the deadline is May. Overview of work plan and timetable. Main work areas, we are working in 3 regions, that is rice wheat, miscellaneous wheat, cotton wheat. And there would be 3 crops, rice, wheat, and cotton, and 2 models, DSAT and APSAN, we use at this moment. And we have planned to reduce the workshop seminars with stakeholders from 5 to 3. And the kick-off workshops and stakeholder meetings will be arranged shortly. And we will conduct a team meeting fortnightly. And we also agreed to provide a progress report and activity plan to resource person, again fortnightly. So this is the area, the targeted crops in the region, and yellow one shows the rice wheat, and the golden one shows and the white one is the cotton wheat regions. Summary, outstanding, needs regarding the conceptual issues. So we need to inform the climatologist about the project protocols, and data issues team has access to good quality data sets, and RAPs need to be well. And regarding procedural issues, so we need practice. And capacity issues, the team need training on APSEM and TUMD. And management issues, we are waiting for MOU from ICRISET, and hopefully within a couple of days the issues will be resolved and we will get it. And another thing, we need to inform PIA about the outcome of this workshop. Publications and other outputs, annual progress and final reports will be one. Then we have planned to, produce 3 refereed journal articles on 3 regions and crops. And then the development of interdisciplinary reports on climate change, agriculture, and food security. I think it would be, wonderful, if we could do it, during this time period, and it will be additional, output of this project. Then the summaries, briefs for policymakers, and the popular articles for farmers in the native languages. So we have, this plan. Regarding the outreach to stakeholders, the target groups or individuals, they are Ministry of Climate Change and Environment, Department of Agriculture, farmers, particularly the progressive farmers of the regions, and the media. We have at University of Agriculture Faisalabad FM radio, and we will use that platform for the, conveying our messages to farmers and different people. And we also have, the FM radio in Bahauddin, Zikriya University. What will be the approaches? Stakeholder workshop, University FM radio, local and national newspapers, and handouts and briefs. And the responsible persons for engagements, PIA, and all the team members. So we will be sharing with all responsibilities, and the target dates for outreach is continuous. So last, the point of contact for expertise for AGME team. Regarding climate, Ghulam Rasool from Pakistan Meteorological Department. For economics, myself. For crop modeling, Tasneem Khalik, University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. Then IT, Mr. Ahsan Raza Star. So that's it. If you have any questions.